Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to get verified on Instagram. So this is the home page. You have to go for your profile here. Now click on in this three-line option. In this list, you can see here an option as Meta Verified. So click on it. Okay, now you can see here it is showing you are on the wait list because I have already applied for the verification. That's why this page is showing here. But if you are in this list and you can you are clicking on this Meta Verified. So after that you can see a page like this. You can see join the waiting list for Meta Verified, and you get all these things here: enhanced verification, protection. All these things you can get uh, by this verification. So you have to just click on this join waiting list. After that you are applying for this verification. After some days, when you are able, then you can get that verification from the Instagram. So this is how you can get verification on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by XiroSoft. XiroSoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with XiroSoft today. For more details, check the description box.